heading straight into the qualifying seat, but it is still possible depending on what these remaining 26 paddlers do. David Llorente, our time trial gold medalist from Spain. He's clearly got the speed.
Won the bronze medal in the World Cup final in the kayak cross. Been a world champion in the teams event 2019 Worlds and K1.
Silver medalist in the K1 as well from those 2019 World Championships on the home course in Maceió d'Urgell. David on a good run so far.
So it's Dixon who leads at 88.10.
No, I can't watch. Why? Why? Maybe the judges didn't see it.
So we wait to see what the adjudication is there. 2-second penalty.
Time.
Let's have a look at the time. It's going to be tight on the 88.11, just outside that 90.32, which gate were you worried about there, Roz?
Middle section, keep an eye on that ranking.
Depends what the angle is, isn't it?
It does depend on the camera angle. Maybe it was fine. I'm not a fully trained judge, so there are much better